Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Let everyone be happy. With these thoughts in mind, let's start cooking today. Today we are going to make beetroot soup. This soup is energizing, it's very refreshing, and it's detoxifying. Take a large beetroot, peel it, wash it, and cut it roughly into small pieces. Then we take 2 cups of boiling water in a medium-sized pan and we add these small pieces of beetroot in that. We cook on low heat for 3 minutes. Add some salt to that and let it boil till this becomes tender. And when this is relatively cool, we blend the beetroot and water in a blender. Now add the spices as per your taste. You can add cumin, pepper, coconut milk and coriander leaves and stir it. You can have it fresh as and when it's made, or if you are not taking it immediately, just warm it. If you make it very hot, the coconut milk will get curdled. So enjoy this soup, share with your friends and relatives the goodness of this soup, and thank you.